so for your assignment tomorrow, you are to construct a line L. So we can do that with our straight edge. So I'm just going to make a line anywhere on my paper. Remember, when you draw a line, to put arrows at the end. But we're going to call this line L. And then we're going to place a point P somewhere, anywhere else that's not on line L. So I'm going to call this point P. So our goal is to construct a line through P that is parallel to L. Okay, so our first step is going to be to draw a transversal line that passes through P. So we can draw it, it doesn't matter how we draw it. We can draw it any direction. Don't worry about the angle too much. So I'm gonna put my transversal here. Okay, and let's call this transversal. So I'm going to duplicate one of these four angles over here. And we're going to use the fact that corresponding angles are congruent. So I'm going to choose this angle right here and put the pointer on that intersection and draw an arc, right, that goes through both sides. And then using that same measurement, I'm going to go to point P and draw an arc that's more or less the same as that one. And I'm going to measure this distance between the two intersections that arc makes, right? I call this thing one and thing two. So that's the distance between thing one and thing two. And then I'm going to mark that same distance between thing one and thing two, right? So this distance is the same. And that's going to give me a point right here through which I can draw my parallel line with P. Okay, and we'll call our parallel line M. And let's go ahead and mark our diagram now. So this angle here is congruent with that angle. So we've got these two corresponding angles are congruent, and that means, because they're corresponding, that these lines must be parallel, right? So that is saying that they are parallel. So line L is parallel to line M. Hope that helps.